Hello guys, welcome to our new video of Syed Insights. Today we will be doing the video of Isle of Wight. So yeah, basically what happened was we all had to wake up at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we tried to get ready quick, but we were kind of late. We had to go on a ferry, which was, I think, my first time on a ferry, and it was actually pretty cool. And yeah, it was like pretty cool. Yeah, here we were entering the ferry. It was kind of weird. I had never been on a ferry before. I've seen some people who went on a ferry before, but I haven't actually experienced it myself. So this was kind of fun. There was a nice view, but most of it was kind of the ocean. It was kind of big. It had like two main floors, which there was like a cruise, like where it was where you could basically see the view. It was very windy and cold outside, by the way. Like you could barely stand in there. Okay, don't mind what I just did. Okay. There's barely any people at the ferry, as you can see in the videos and photos. It's because it was at 6 in the morning. It was really early, so most people weren't there at all. This is me. I wanted food. I'm so hungry. Please, food. Yeah, I was in most of these videos and photos, I guess. Oh yeah, this is. Yeah, you can literally hear the air. It's so loud. Okay. It was like we were on an island, and then we went to Isle of Wight, which I think it's an island. I guess it was. The air is very strong here, as you can see. There was like two main floors, two like actual floors where there were actual stuff. The three other decks were like parking and stuff. So yeah, the first two floors, the last two floors, they were like what do you call it? Food. They were like some cafeterias and some souvenirs and stuff to eat and stuff. And like resting areas. Now we're currently leaving the ferry. We made like some drone shots from after some time after the ferry. You could see me in the car window. Yeah, that's me. So some Yeah, this is one of the points that we were supposed to go. We were supposed to go on the chairlift, but it was actually closed, so we couldn't actually go there. And there were some rides here as well, which we couldn't go on because, of course, it's all closed. It was like a abandoned place, but apparently they're only available in 1 month or two, a few months a year, and this wasn't the correct year to come in, so that's why most of the places were closed.
Chairlifts and everything is closed.
Next March.
So we can go to any viewing point, like to see the riddles from any point.
We might come back here for April or March to see this. We were testing some things on my dad's knee. Whatever it was some phone type of thing, which you put on it and you can move and stuff. This was where you could see the needles. As you can see, it's like in the corner. It's next to the hill. Yeah, those are the needles. This is the place that it's famous for. It's pretty windy here as well. That's why you can hear the wind a lot. I'm not gonna tell you what just happened. More drone shots. This was like the hills you could go on to see the needles, I'm pretty sure. But we just didn't feel like going on that hill. Because we weren't prepared. This is like the chairlift that we were supposed to go on. It looks so fun, but scared at the same time because I'm afraid of heights, and most people are probably afraid of heights as well, because I am. This, I don't know what this was. I'm not quite sure. It was so cold. It was so cold here. I couldn't stand outside. I had to go back inside. I had a huge headache as well. This was it was a nice clean place. This place was also closed. There was supposed to be like a trail to a waterfall, but of course that was closed as well, man. We just went down and down. We found a fishing place. Like beneath these stairs there was like a fishing place. where professional fishers go. But after some time of exploring there, we just went up, and then we just went across the street, and we had found an arcade. We each got like 10 quid to spend on the games, and it was pretty fun. I got about like pretty much a thousand tickets there. My sister got like 700, I guess. Well, I don't remember. Yeah, this is the arcade that we went. Yeah. This is what I was talking about. It's really big. We also got ice cream after that. There was like an ice cream shop right next there, and we all got ice cream. That was really, really big. I got, I think, biscuit flavor. My brother got bubble gum. This is where we had our breakfast. We hadn't ate all day, and the food here was actually really, really good. It was really, really good. Then we went here. An outdoor place. That's the restaurant. Oh my god, I just saw that dog. Look at the dog, bro. The dog were both playing. I saw them when I was eating my breakfast. This is like a beach we came to. Oh my god, there's so many types of trees here. So many colors and types. This is the beach we came here at the end of the day. Then after this, we went home. The end. See you in another video. Like, subscribe, comment.